Hello guys, this is Shreya and you are welcome in Shreya Knowledge Hub. Guys, today I will tell you that how you will rank your website in first position in Google My Business Map or in local business. So guys, I will tell you everything while working on SPG Technologies Google My Business, that is the best CRM development company in Delhi. But guys, before doing all this, you must keep some points in your mind if you want to rank your website in first position in your local business. So guys, let's start now that what are those some points. So guys, our first point is make use of keyword in title. So guys, if you want to rank your website in first position, then you must use keyword in your title. So guys, here I will show you that how you will make use of keyword in your title. So guys, firstly I want to show you that I was working in this CRM software development company and I have ranked it on first position in Google My Business in Dwarika. Because guys, Dwarika is a small place and there is little crowd and little competition in that. So firstly I have targeted Dwarika to rank it or to rank this website on first position. So guys, when you will search for CRM development company in Dwarika, then you will find SPG Technologies on first position. So guys, here you can see that SPG Technologies is in first position in Dwarika, right guys? So guys, now here I will show you that how you will do this or how you will achieve your website or how you will make your website to rank on first position in Google My Business by doing all these things. So guys, here you can see that I have given a keyword in my title. So what is my keyword? My keyword is CRM software company in Dwarika, right? And after that, here is another keyword, that is ERP software company in Dwarika. So both are these my keywords and I have used both these keywords in my title. So you also have to use this. For example, you have website development company in Delhi, right? So here in your title you will use website development company in Delhi, right? And guys, you must notice one thing, that your title or your title should not match with another, right? Because guys, it will show Google or it will show Google that you have copied someone else. So I have used SPG Technologies in the starting of this. So Google should not think that I have copied someone else, right? So guys, here you can also make your title some unique by doing or by adopting these methodologies, right guys? After that guys, here is another point, that is make use of keyword in description, right? So guys, in your description also, you should also use your keyword to rank your website on first position. So guys, here is our description, right? And here is our description, and here also you have to make use of your keyword, right? As you have used in your title, right? After that guys, here is another thing, that is make use of Google Business Direction, right? So guys, when you are going to invite some client or if anybody wants to come to your office, then what you can do, you can share your location or you can share your Google Business Direction on his WhatsApp, on Facebook or anything else. So guys, it will be very beneficial for you if he will come to your office by using your Google Business Direction. Because guys, Google will think that he is your genuine client and he will prefer your website to come on top if you will adopt all these things, right guys? And guys, one more thing, if anybody come to your office by using your Google Business Direction and after that, after coming and after going there, if he gives you review and good reviews, right, then it will be very beneficial for you. It will be very beneficial from the SEO point of view for your website, right? And guys, Google will prefer you or your website to come on top by doing these things, right? After that guys, here is another point which you must keep in your mind, that is correct contact number. So you must use correct contact number in your Google My Business. Here is our contact number. So if you want to give your contact number, then you must give your correct contact number, because if anybody wants to contact you to take your services, then he must be able to contact you directly, right guys? So you don't think that if you will give false number, then it will be very beneficial for you, right? So you must keep this point in your mind, right guys? After that guys, here is another thing, that is use right category. So guys, you must make use of right category when you are going to make your Google business account. So here you can see guys, here are our categories, that is accounting software company, marketing agency. So these are some additional categories, that is marketing agency, software company, technical service. So guys, you might have thinking that why I have used these category. I have CRM software development company, then why I have used these categories, accounting software company and all these things, right? So guys, I would like to tell you that there are some predefined categories in Google My Business. So you have to make use of only those categories. You can't give your own category. You have to make, or you have to give category which are predefined in the Google My Business. So guys, you must keep one thing in your mind, that you must choose that category which suits your business or which matches with your business, right? So you must choose that category which matches with your services, because you can't find here CRM development company, or you can't find the category of your own choice. You have to choose from those categories which are already given. So choose it very carefully, right guys? After that guys, here is another thing, that is time in Google My Business should be shown as per your office open or close, right? So guys, here you must show the time, at what time your office closes or at what time your office opens, right? So you must give the appropriate time, right? After that guys, here is another thing, that is make use of proper timetable with holidays. So guys, here if you have any holidays, then here you can also define those holidays, right? After that guys, here is another thing, that is update business information time to time. So if you want to rank your website on first position, then you must update your business information from time to time, because if there is any changes, then you must update there, right? Which is useful for user. You must not think that I have made it once and I am just free. You just update it from time to time as things happens, right? After that guys, here comes good posts with SEO. So guys, I want to show you that here you have to make your posts regularly, and those posts which are SEO friendly, right? So guys, here I will show you that how you will make your posts. As you can see here, I have made these posts for Google My Business of SPG Technologies, right? Here you can see those posts. So here I will show you that how you will do these posts. So firstly guys, I would like to show you that how you will make your image and how you will show it, or how you will save it, because guys, these are very important things which you neglect, and these are very good points, and these are very important things which you must keep in your mind when you are going to save your post, to upload your post, everything, right? So guys, here is our post which I have created. The size of it is 1200 by 900. So here you can see it is 1200 by 900 pixels. So you have to make post of this size, right? After that guys, here I will show you that how you will save the name of your post. So here you can see guys that it is a CRM development company in South Delhi. Guys, if I want that if anybody for CRM development company in South Delhi, then my post should be shown to him, right? So guys, here I have saved the post for CRM development company in South Delhi. So I will tell you that how you will save the name of your post, right, or your image. So guys, here you can see that I have written all the words in small letters, right, or in lowercase. So you also have to write every word in lowercase, right guys. And one thing you must keep in your mind, that is you must not give any space. You must not give any space between any word, right guys. So here you can see that I haven't given any space. I have made use of hyphen, or you can also make use of underscore to save the name of your image, right? After that guys, one more thing which you can do is you can go on properties by right click. After that guys, here you have to go on details, right? After that guys, here is given title. So I will give my title CRM development uh, company in South Delhi, right? It is my title. And that is another thing, that is subject. So in title guys, you have to give your keyword, or you have to give that title which is related to your keyword, and your keyword must be included in that, right? After that guys, here is another thing, that is subject. So here you can give CRM services in South Delhi. If it will be very beneficial for you if you will give your title in everything, right guys. Then after that guys, here is rating. So you have to give 5-star rating, right? After that guys, here are tags. So you have to give your tags or your keywords here. So here I will give tag CRM development company in South Delhi, right? CRM services in South Delhi. And as many keywords you want to use, here you can give that, right? After that guys, here is comment. So if you have any comment, or if you want to give any comment, then you can give also. For example, I will give SPG Technologies is the best CRM software company in South Delhi, right guys. So here I have given my comment. So here guys, you can also adopt this trick, that you can use different keywords related to your services in that location in all these things, right? For example, here I have used CRM development company in Delhi. Here in subject I have used CRM services in South Delhi. After that, keywords I have given in tags, right? After that, in comments I have used CRM software company in South Delhi. So you can also adopt these techniques, right? After that, you have to press OK. So here guys, these all things are very important from your SEO point of view. After that guys, here we will again go on our Google My Business, right? So here guys, I will show you that how you have to make your post, right? So here guys, you can also create your post by going on home, or here you can also create your post by clicking on post, right? So it depends upon you. So here I will show you that how you will create your post. Here you have to click on create post, right? After that guys, here if you have any offer, then you can create your offer. And if there is no offer, then you have to click on what's new, right? After that, you have to add your photo. So here I will click, and here comes upload. So here you have to select your photo, right? Here I will go on new volume D. My photo is saved there, so I will go there. After that guys, here is where is my folder? So here guys, it is my image, so I will upload it, right? I will click on that and I will upload that, right? So it's uploading guys. After it is uploaded, then you have to give your another information after that related to your post. So here you have to write your post. So it means you have to give information related to your post. So I have already written my informations here. So here I will copy it. Or firstly I want to show you that, guys, here in this information also you have to make your use of your keyword, right? So here I will give my image. Here I will give keyword CRM software development company in South Delhi, right? It is CRM software development company in South Delhi. And one more thing, guys, before your keyword you must use hashtag, because guys it is searchable. So you must make use of hashtag before your keyword. It will be very beneficial for you from SEO point of view. Google will prefer it, right? So guys, here I will copy all the informations and after that here I will paste it, right? So my all informations are saved. After that, guys, here you have to give your add a button. You have got a option that is add a button. So here you can click on that, and here whatever option you want to choose you can choose, right? So here I will click on call now because I want to get calls. So number is already saved, so here it's not giving the option to enter the number because it is already saved by default, right guys? After that you have to click on publish, right? So after publishing, your post will be shown here. So here you can see, guys, that it's like it will look like that. And when anybody will search for SPG Technologies, or when anybody will search for CRM software development company in South Delhi, then my post will be shown to him when he will go on images, right guys? After that, guys, here if you have any offer, then you can create your offers from here. If your company is giving any offer to your customers, then you can add your offer from here, right? Or from here also. If you have any update, then you can do from here. And if you are going to organize any event in your company, then you can add your event from here. Or if you sell any products, then you can add your products or publish or promote your products from this section, right guys? After that, guys, we come to our these things, that is create offer post. As I told you before, if you are giving any offer, then you can create your offer post. If you are organizing any event, then you can do from here, right guys? After that, guys, here another point comes, that is make posts as per events and festivals. So guys, if any event comes or if any festival comes, then you must create posts related to that festival also, right guys? So guys, for example, sometime before Raksha Bandhan has come, so you could create a post for Raksha Bandhan also, right? So guys, you must keep these things in your mind, because Google notice all these things, Google tracks all these things, and it prefers your website on the basis of all these points, right? So you must follow all these points if you rank your website on top, right guys? After that, guys, here is another thing, that is create new posts as per new activities in your business. If there is any new activity in your business or in your company, then you must create posts related to that, right, to attract customers, right guys? After that, guys, here comes upload team photo. If you have any team photo, then you must upload your team photo in Google My Business, right? It will be very beneficial for you. After that, guys, you can also upload your interior and exterior photos, right? After that, guys, next thing comes, that is good reviews. As I told you before, when your client will give you review or a very good review, then it will be very beneficial for you. And second thing, guys, you must keep in your mind, that is respond to review. So you must give answer or you must respond to your reviews, right? If anybody give any review to you, then you must respond to him, you must reply to him, right? And your reply must be good and professional, right? And guys, it will be very good if you reply or if you respond to that review within 1 or 2 days. So it will be very beneficial. After that guys, here another thing comes, that is create free website with Google My Business. So guys, here I will show you that how you can create a free website with Google My Business. So here you can see that here is option to create your website. So from here, this option, you can create your website. So here you can create your free website, and guys, you can also rank this website by using some SEO tactics on Google, right? So you can also rank your website, and Google will prefer you so much if you create free website with Google My Business, because it is a product of Google and Google prefers it, right guys? And from guys, here you can see your reviews. After going here, you can see your reviews, right? And you can reply to these reviews from here by clicking on that, right guys? So guys, this much in today's video, and if you have any doubts, then please ask me in the comment section. I will definitely reply you, and I will definitely resolve all your problems. And if it would be possible and if it is required, then definitely I will make a separate video for you. And guys, if you like my video, then please press the like button, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest video updates of my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video guys.